Hey folks, Leadsmith here, coming to you from Dad Skills University. The topic today, not only am I a rookie gardener, but this is my first time growing squash. But I've been asked on some updates about how my garden's doing overall, and this is a young strawberry setup. It's doing pretty well. These are in their second year. All of these are in their first year. I've been removing blossoms to help them, strengthen their roots and their foliage. My potatoes are doing amazing. They actually started producing flowers here not too terribly long ago. I've been clipping those off for similar reasons. I'm enjoying harvesting blueberries every morning. My liquor still is doing an amazing job providing drip irrigation for my tiered garden. I have tomatoes in the works. We do enjoy our mint tea and mint water, so I have plenty of that and far more oregano than I need. I'm having a little trouble getting some of the basil and chives to come up, and the green onion's a little fussy, but I'm getting results. But the thing that I'm impressed with the most is this squash. Let's take a look, guys, because the truth is, the seed for these, if you've ever eaten a pumpkin, is smaller than a dime. But yet the leaves are tremendously large. Which brings us to another point. It provides great, wonderful shade for little critters that might want to make a home and a meal out of your squash plant. So yesterday I actually had the first 2 squash bugs of the year, and they were properly disposed of. I have been following suggestions for avoiding them, and so far everything's gone great. I've not seen any evidence of any kind of squash bug activity, with the exception of the 2 squash bugs I found. Hopefully there won't be any more for a while. I do strongly feel that the concept of growing them vertically is probably a good idea, because when we keep the base open, it really rules out a lot of the tactical advantage of not just a squash bug, probably other critters too, because they're so exposed. So I've been trying to keep them in a upward growing position, which seems to work well. I've had quite a few male flowers, and right now I think I have one lady flower down there that I'm looking forward to seeing turn into a squash. I'll probably help transfer the pollen to it as soon as it's able to receive it. And yeah, I just wanted to kind of show you all what's going on here. And I want to thank CaliKim for some of her amazing videos. The only thing I would have done different is I would have planted 1 seed each. The package said I could put 2 in, and that made sense at the time. I also have them going quite a bit far apart according to the package, but I think the package gave the instructions with the assumption that they were not going to be caged and growing vertically. The only question I really have right now is, should I continue to remove the big shady leaves here that are blocking some of the onions, or should I just resign these onions to being green onions? That's the question. What say you? Alright folks, thanks for watching. Leadsmith out.